This is all the process that I need to do with these cables to finish them. So first, strip off. Next, make sure you get rid of this plastic over there. Next is strip back the cable. Make it the reasonable length. Twist them a bit. Then get the crimper. Put the pins. So 2 pins per each cable of this one. And this is what I need to do to all these cables. These one are already stripped down, and this one I need to strip it down and then pin all of them. And there we go. All the cables, they have pins. Those one too. And next step is to go to the low pressure molding machine to mold the connectors. And I'm gonna do it later. And if you want to see how I'm doing this process, check the other shorts video. I have lots of videos showing how I'm doing the connectors.